What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be making some corned beef and coconut rice. Let's get started. Here I have my rice already washed and clean. I have some coconut milk. I have some herb garlic butter. Over here I have some onions, some bell pepper red and green, tomato, scallion, and some chopped up garlic. I have some corned beef. This is the brand I'll be using. Feel free to use any brand of choice. Some frozen mixed vegetables, some black pepper, and some seasoning salt. So to a heated pan, I went in with my herb butter and I'm going to allow this to melt. Then I'm going to go in with my rice and I'm just going to go ahead and toast the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes just to add a depth of flavor to the rice. So we're going to stir this constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk. And I'm going to go ahead, give this a good stir and make sure that everything is incorporated and submerged beneath the coconut milk. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to taste. You want to add salt to your saltness level. Give it a good mix to combine and cover and allow this to steam on medium to low heat for about 20 minutes. Now onto our corned beef. So in a heated pan, I went in with some oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my onions, my garlic, bell pepper, scallion, tomato, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Now the Scotch bonnet pepper you want to add to your eatness level. If you don't like it too spicy, you want to go ahead and leave that out, but if you like it spicy, by all means use as much as you like. Now I'm going to go ahead and saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes, constantly stirring it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my mixed veggies. At this point they're frozen, but that's not much because as you cook it, it will thaw. But if you want to go ahead and thaw this out before time, you could go ahead and do that, but it's absolutely not necessary. Just add it to your mixture and saute for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to add some seasoning salt to season up the veggies. Now the corned beef is a bit salty, but the veggies at this point are bland, so you want to add a little bit of flavor. So you don't want to over salt, you just want to season it up just a bit. Now in with my corned beef, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the spatula to break it up and allow it to be fully incorporated into that vegetable mixture. And yes guys, that's basically it. Dinner is ready. But before that, we're going to add some black pepper to this and mix it in well. You only need black pepper at this point for your corned beef. No seasoning is necessary because everything is already flavorful and the corned beef has its own flavor. So you just need a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, and there you have it. The corned beef is ready to be served. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to my rice to show you what it's looking like. Now after 20 minutes, this is what the rice has been looking like, and the coconut aroma is nose blinding. It is smelling amazing. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fluff my rice, and then I'm going to show you how I serve this up. Of course, a full written recipe will be listed down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check this out if you want to make this recipe. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'll really appreciate it if you think about doing so, and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Now I serve mine up with some avocado on the side. Just that, it needed nothing more, and this was absolutely delicious. One of my go-to whenever I'm pressed for time to make dinner on a weeknight. This is one of my absolute go-to. Yeah guys, that's it my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.